Product manufacturers spend over $10 billion on imprecise market research and more than twice that on mass media like newspapers, coupons, radio, and television with really no idea who they're talking to. So imagine you're a manufacturer. What if there's a way to know each shopper's purchase behavior precisely enough that you can know exactly what it takes to get that shopper to buy more or even switch from one product to another? And what if you then had the power to use that information in real time to influence each shopper right when they're in the aisle deciding what to buy and knowing the product that's already in their hand? Insight Market Data's predictive influence engine delivers all this and more. By giving shoppers an easy but powerful new way to receive promotions and save money, IMD can accurately measure each shopper's individual product preferences to within pennies. That powerful data can then be leveraged through the predictive influence engine to offer perfectly targeted marketing promotions and incentives, each optimized to the individual shopper's known preferences and maximize your sales and profits. So how's it work? We provide a free smartphone app which shoppers can use to scan the UPC barcode of a product they're interested in buying while they're in the store. Once scanned, the shopper instantly receives a number of customized competing messages, premiums, and incentives to choose from. Then to redeem their incentives, the shopper need only scan a special barcode at the point of sale register. Their current incentives will automatically sync up with the register and be redeemed as the products are scanned in for purchase. This process generates incredibly powerful data because every time a shopper uses the app, the system knows what was picked up, which incentives were offered, and which products were purchased or not. IMD is essentially conducting a real-life survey for every product scanned, learning what each shopper likes and doesn't like. Compare this to what we know about shoppers today. Surveys are largely subjective, and very few shoppers will take the time to fill them out. Meanwhile, preferred shopper cards capture everything we buy, but they don't offer any insights into why a shopper purchased one product over another. As proof, every shopper is offered the exact same discount, and manufacturers won't know the total cost of a coupon campaign until they expire and the final redemptions are tallied months later. IMD's system generates far more useful behavior data. Because of this, we can use comparative algorithms to accurately measure each shopper's brand loyalty and price sensitivity against other similar products. This allows us to quantify each shopper's specific product preferences and offer incentives that are individually tailored to them while still maintaining the user's anonymity. And because IMD's incentives are digital, each one can be adjusted as it's created on the fly, so the engine's adaptive incentive campaigns can react automatically to changing market conditions to achieve precise redemption objectives for the lowest possible cost. What's more, all of our incentives exist only within the encrypted IMD ecosystem, and each one has a redemption window of just a few hours. Because of this, redemption events are directly linked to an individual shopper and their confirmed purchases. So the $500 million a year in redemption fraud that's common in the industry today is virtually eliminated. Retailers like the system because it encourages shoppers to make more unplanned purchases and to buy more. And it's faster because it adds no time to the checkout process regardless of the number of incentives being redeemed. Plus, because our incentives are digital, we can reimburse retailers in hours, not months. But this system brings the most value to the manufacturers because they can use the system to increase profits through targeted brand extension, cross-category selling, and triggering impulse purchases. Now, this solution isn't meant for every shopper, but according to Pew Research, 61% of Americans already have smartphones now, and 1/3 of all Americans use paper coupons today. Add to the fact that Nielsen found that 40% of the most enthusiastic coupon users earn more than $70,000 per year. That's a powerfully attractive demographic for manufacturers and retailers to be able to likely reach with such precision. So what about the competition? There are many companies pushing everything from SMS text messages to GPS-based discounts to internet coupons. The critical difference is no one acquires IMD's precise shopper behavior data or gives manufacturers the power to precisely influence shoppers right when they're deciding what to buy. And Insight Market Data has the patent on that system. Start influencing your customers individually while they shop. Contact us at Insight Market Data to learn how you too can communicate smarter with your customers.